All right, welcome to our part 6 of setting up your CTERA EC200 device. Today I'm going to do something a little bit more different. I am going to go ahead and walk through some of the database backup stuff. So I'm going to log into my user right here. I'm going to mess with my backup settings here because you know what? I have a database of Bitcoin and I want to make sure the keys are backed up and I think the CTERA application will do an incredible job of that. So let's go here. I just went to Sorry, I didn't talk through that. So I went to the desktop where the SQL Server is, and I'm going to click Manage here, and I'm going to go to File Level Backup and Applications to Backup. I have Microsoft SQL Server 2016 on here, it looks like, and I don't want to back up everything. I just want to back up my Bitcoin database. I'm guessing this is probably not best practice, but this is just an example here. So let's see here, save this, and then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to click backup now. And I don't think this will take too long, but we'll see how long this takes here, because I don't have much else getting backed up, just this incredibly important database file where if I lose it, I could be out a lot of money. So let's see. And again, this is just on my desktop. So here is my SQL Server. This is SQL Express that I have installed on here. Here's my Bitcoin database, and here's my table with keys. So right now, you know, you can see all the stuff here, how much money I'm trying to back up here, and it looks like it's done. So what I'm gonna do is first I'm going to make sure that backup just happened. So let's see, 9 p.m. That's perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete. Oh, there goes a lot of money. Oh, there goes a lot of money. And now when I execute here on this, oh, my money's gone. I don't have my keys. I can't get to my wallet. What am I going to do? Nobody can send me. Well, people can still send me money, but what I want to do is I want to restore. So I'm going to go to the applications. I'm going to go to SQL Server, and let's see. There's my Bitcoin database. Let's hit next. Looks like this is going to be pretty quick as well. So I can stop freaking out that all my Bitcoin's gone. And done. All right. So now I'm going to go back and say, okay, please have returned. And there we go. Got my keys back. Got all my money back. I'm good to go. I can breathe again and can get back to work. So there you go. There is a simple SQL Server backup and restore example. And hopefully you found this useful, and hopefully you can see why the CTERA product would be good for you and your business. Talk to you next time.